In this video, I'm going to walk through my old Thomas project. I want to see if there's anything I'd do differently, and also answer some of your questions. First, print out the template. Get template from my Patreon and Etsy. I used a 4-paper but letter-size template, also available for the paid version. The US uses letter-size paper, while the rest of the world uses a 4. It's difficult to design a size that suits everyone. I didn't use corrugated cardboard for the face and visor because I wanted a smooth surface. You'll see why later in the video. You can see I tried to keep the cuts clean and fold carefully. Here we call this mounting board, usually one side white, one side black. If you couldn't get one, you can stack 2 or 3 layers of cereal box cardboard. It's easier to work with some support pieces. Here I use corrugated cardboard because I don't really mind if it wrinkles. You'll see why. This piece is to support the shape. Here, I cut up 2 Coca-Cola cans. I only need the bottom parts for the robot ears. Then cut 2 EVA foam strips using the template as a guide. Wrap the foam strip around the can and stick it using contact cement, also known as shoe glue. Cut 2 strips from a cereal box using the same template. Glue it with contact cement to the EVA foam. There you go. A perfect Beats by Dre headphones. If I had the budget back then, I would use real headphone here. And this is optional, I just don't want to cut my ears by those sharp cola cans. Now attach the earpieces to the helmet. I know, sorry about the camera angle. Last, glue on the chin piece. If I did this today, I'd use pre-mixed wall filler like this. As you can see, I only apply filler to brown cardboard, because the visor and mouth part is perfectly smooth. Here I did some light sanding, which wall filler is relatively easy. I've already did a primer coat before, then a coat of gloss black. Glossy black is super important for chrome spray paint. The shinier the base, the better the finish. Trace the visor template on a sheet of transparent PVC. Trim the PVC so it fits nicely. Apply window tinted film to PVC. Use soapy water. Remove pieces, but I keep those pillars so the visor has better support. Here you go. Thanks for watching.